morning everyone, it's me again, Clem from clemtravlog. Today we're gonna try the Ramadan Bazaar. Let's go! So as a Malaysian, we always have Ramadan every year. The month before the Ramadan, they actually have a fasting month for the Muslim. So I always have the chances to visit Ramadan Bazaar back in my country. So this is the first time I'm going to visit the Ramadan Bazaar in Australia, which is hosted by a Malaysian Muslim. So yep, it's introduced by my friend Harris. Let's go have a look, see what they sell there. Apa khabar? Wow, look at all this satay. Just see satay. Alright, all done our shopping. So this is the whole bag of food. We're gonna have it for lunch. We're actually going home to have it. Muslim is currently having fasting month. We call puasa in Malaysia. In their religion, they are not supposed to be eating or drinking during the daytime. So they are just selling as a culture for Muslim to buy it prepare for the dinner. So we just bought it home as a respect. We're not gonna eat there. So we just go home and enjoy our Malaysian food from the Muslim community. Let's go now. For watching, don't forget to click the like, subscribe my channel and share it to everyone. Leave a comment if you have any feedback for me.